Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto S50 Neo with natural water wave design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with POLED 3D curved display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.7% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor main camera with aperture 1.79 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 32 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cryo 660 Gold plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 660 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.91 by 73.06 by 7.59 mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. And the color options, blue, gray, olive green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 30-watt turbo power fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, IP52 water repellent design support, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto S50 Neo has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto S50 Neo smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.